The old way to do it, and I used to do it this way. So you get a piece of spring steel, you just take a scribe and you lay grids, grind out the bigger parts, then you take a little needle file, and you literally make the templates by hand. I've done several back in the old days before the CAD machine. Like our WindsorONE beaded ceiling, I actually made those templates in my garage at home because it was I was ready to go home, and I sat in the garage and I got a vise in there, and I had all my files, and I just got into it. That was one pattern. I actually made that pattern in my garage at home. Yeah. I cut the steel out. I ground out all the big parts, and then I did all the fine details until it was perfect at home. If you're not patient, you won't be able to do it. But I had calipers, the digital calipers within a thousandth of an inch. So I just kept filing, and then you measure, and then you file some more, and then you measure, and then you buff it out some with a little bit of 600 grit sandpaper till you get it the way you want it.